Hi
My
everyone,
name is Lovely Kumar, student of Federation University, Ballarat, and this is my fourth topic. The name of the topic is software attacks. So first of all, to understand deeply about the software attacks, we need to understand what is software attack and how does it work. Software attacks are mainly done by hackers because they use some malware programs. Malware stands for malicious software. Like for example, when we are downloading any freeware software from any trusted website, what they do in the software, they add some lines of code, and when we download the code, and then the malware program replicate it himself, and then he start disrupting your normal computer functioning, and sometimes is to destroy all your private files and system files. And there are many different kind of software attacks done by different kind of softwares, and but the most important thing is we need to understand what is virus. Virus stands for Vital Information Resource Under Siege. That means your prestigious and your more your information is surrounded by all kind of attacks, or you can say hackers. Now, to save that information, you can use many different kind of tools and technique, which I'm gonna mention late at the end of the this video. But now I'm just focusing about the different kind of viruses or attacks are being done and the history of the internet until now. And so to protect such kind of viruses, we can use many techniques. Let's discuss different kind of attacks. Virus is kind of a small program, and when we download from internet from like if we try to download any mp3 song, or if we try to download any pirated software from torrent sites, usually the virus came from such kind of website. And because in western countries it's illegal to download any pirated software from torrent sites, and it's called dodgy sites. And another kind of software attack is worm. It's a kind of virus which doesn't need to trigger any action. It start doing its function without, it doesn't need any user trigger. It start replicate himself, and he slowly he spread all over the system, and he start affecting all the files. Now another software attack is Trojan horse. Trojan is horse name is came from a toy, and Trojan, that means a toy which containing too many dangerous items. And what it does is when it's moved from one place to another, like if you found a Trojan horse in your C drive, slowly it's gonna move to all the other drives. And if somebody try to connect their external drives like hard disk and SD card, which they use for their mobile phone, then this virus move to one place to another, and it's affect whole system, and slowly you will see your system will be crash. And now the another kind of software attack is password dictionary attack. What hacker do usually, like they guess the passwords normally. Like if they know my email id or username, they guess the password like 12345 qwerty 123. These are just some kind of, you can say, the dictionary attacks. Like they can make calculations, and they try to use the different kind of password, and somehow they get into your system with the help of these dictionary attacks calculations. And there is many other kind of software attack as well, like denial of service attack. That means when you are trying to access any web page, or you are trying to log into a server, then the what hacker do, they create so much traffic to the servers that then the server does not have the capability to hold all the requests, and then there is a there will be a time duration, then the server will be not able to handle the request, and then the server crash. So this is also one kind of software attack. And another is phishing. What the main reason behind phishing is to get access to your personal information. What hackers and other software do, that they create a fake, if you are trying to log in into your university login, or if you are trying to log in into your Facebook account on a social networking site, they create a fake page. And when you are trying to fill that form, and just like you put your username and password, when you submit, they get your all information. Or sometimes what they do, just to attract you, they send you some emails like you won $100 prize, just fill this form, then we're gonna send you the gift. When we fill that information, it directly goes to the person whom we doesn't know, and we don't know anything about him. So these are the attacks which are being happening again and again from the beginning of the invention of the internet till now. Another kind of attack is middleman attack. What happens is when we are trying to access any information from a server, and the hacker, what he do, he came in the middle and he can see all the information which we are getting from the server, what is going inside of our network and what is going outside of our network. So these are the many different kind of software attacks we are facing nowadays. And most probably, as we are doing things online, we are doing shopping online, we're paying more payments online, we are using e-commerce, in short I can say, and we are doing our net banking thing, everything. So there is a need of there is a need to pay attention toward the security which we need to implement, so that we can make sure that we are accessing to this secure page, and we are feeling and we are connected with a trusted website. That's why nowadays many social networking sites, they are using now HTTPS. That means S stands for secure. And normally, previously you can see all the website start with HTTP. There was no S. That means they are trusted sites. They have their identification which is encrypted. So whenever we click, we go to that website, you mean you are secure. You are not giving your information to somebody unknown person. And now to there are many other software kind of attack, but I think instead of discussing about the different kind of software attack, it's more important to know how we can uh, cope with the situation, how we can prevent ourselves from such kind of software attacks. I think the basic I can say basic steps to perform a prevention from the software attack is always make sure we are using latest version of internet security or antivirus. Because if we are using latest version, or if we are if we are keep updating our internet or our internet antivirus or internet security software, then that means he know about because whenever we update our software antivirus or internet security software, what they do is the company who is offering you the security software, they update the definition inside of your program, so that they can identify new kind of viruses which are in the internet nowadays now coming up, so that your system will be able to detect such kind of attacks. And when you are trying to access any unsecure website, like I'm using Kaspersky, and if I try to I try to use any unsecure website which have just only HTTP, my Skype internet security software automatically detect that it's not secure website. Kindly call to the customer support and don't share any information in this page. And another thing is there are software internet security software antivirus which are providing different kind of facility, like in Kaspersky itself, they are providing you safe money. What the software do is you can put the links your bank account, sorry, if you're accessing your bank online in the net banking, you can put the link of your bank URL website, and then he gonna check that it's a trusted website, and if it's trusted, it's gonna open that page. And if what something is malicious or something is not okay with the website, and then you will see that the certification is expired, is not valid anymore. So this kind of validation is you can see this such kind of security are in the market now, but the only thing is we don't implement. In the corporate and big data industries, we are using such kind of thing, but personally we are realizing and student and like in home, we don't care about the such kind of thing. But it is really important because the data we have in our system is more important than the system itself. So we have to keep our information confidential and secure. And another step is to make you sure you are on the secure side is firewall. It's good to configure your firewall rules. What kind of traffic you want to come in, what kind of things you want to go out of your network, so that each and everything what is the exchange of information between you and the external network, your firewall will be make sure that you are connected with the secure person outside of your network, and what you are getting is safe information. There is no virus. That's why whenever we are downloading any kind of file, whether it's mp3, any document from the internet, you will see our system windows automatically say that it might be very harmful file. Do you want to keep it or you want to discard that? That's why but nowadays, with the help of this antivirus or firewall, the antivirus and the firewall itself check that, scan that document, then it start loading into your local operating system. So I think the only thing which we need to think about is we need to prevent ourselves from such kind of software attacks, because technology is there, but having the best technology is not enough. We have to learn how to use that technology so that we can make the technology as our friend, not our enemy. So that's all I would like to mention here. Thank you very much watching this video.